Okay.
I'll hold it right here, right?
Yep.
Or like.
Yep.
3, 2.
Hi, my name is Jade. I'm 17 years old. I attend Ramon C. Cortines High School, and I am here at the Know Your Rights camp in Los Angeles. The session that I learned a lot from today and was unexpectedly my favorite was the finance session that we did. Credit and budgeting, and which are things that I need to know because I'm in my senior year and I'm about to go off to college and I'm about to have to deal with all of that stuff. And she gave us a QR code for this free session so we can learn how to, I think it was like start our own business or something like that. Not start our own business, but like just finances in general. I plan to be a director. I like being able to speak out, and I like the idea of being able to let other people be heard through my work. And it wouldn't just be my work, it's like a collective group thing. It's just nice. People being able to see that on the big screen and through like what I love would be like really cool. Okay, so the Know Your Rights camp is important to me because I feel like most people and most kids my age, they make the mistake of going out into the world without knowing what's going on, and so it's just like a big disaster. And I feel like having literally everything at our fingertips because of our phones, it'd be great for me to put that to use and show up to places like this and really expand my knowledge on certain subjects so I can go out and honestly probably do what you guys are doing one day and help other people my age when I'm older. My name is Jade, I'm 17, and I know my rights.